Hey everybody, welcome back to another Spa and Sauna Company video blog. If it's not here yet, winter weather is fast approaching, hence my stylish hat. Also the fact that I had to clean some snow off of my car this morning. That means it's time to start looking forward to winter hot tub usage, or maybe it's time to start considering winterizing your hot tub. So we're gonna talk about both of those things today, and before temperatures really start to drop, I'm gonna run the intro. So it might sound pretty obvious, but the first thing you're gonna need to consider is, are you gonna be near your hot tub this winter? If your hot tub is in your backyard and easily accessible, then you should absolutely plan on using your hot tub this winter. Winter is probably the best time to enjoy the benefits of regular spa use. Trust me, there's nothing better than spending a day out on a ski hill and then coming home to a warm water soak in your backyard. And then of course, on the other hand, maybe your hot tub is at a second residence and you don't see yourself getting there that much this winter, or maybe your hot tub is even in a place that it's gonna be hard to access during the winter. You might want to consider winterizing your hot tub. And another thing to consider is it safe to use your hot tub? And what I mean by that is your hot tub in a location where your roof might unload onto it, or if it's underneath trees, you're gonna wanna make sure that there's no possibility of snow falling into your hot tub while you're in it. And as a side note, if your hot tub is located in an area where snow might fall out of a tree and land on it, or your roof might unload onto it, we do highly recommend moving your hot tub because that snow could seriously damage your hot tub. So you might be wondering what the benefits of winterizing your hot tub are. Well, the main benefits that you're gonna see is, you're gonna save some money on electricity, water, chemicals, stuff like that. You're also gonna take some mileage off your hot tub during the months that you're not using it. But keep in mind that these hot tubs, these modern hot tubs like Hot Spring, Caldera, Sundance, they're designed to run 24/7, 365, but just like any piece of technology, there is a set lifespan. So if you winterize your hot tub during the months you're not using it, you're gonna save yourself a little bit of time there. So if you're wondering how to winterize your hot tub, the first thing I have to say is that it's not that simple of a process. It is time consuming, and if it's not done correctly, you do risk seriously damaging your hot tub. The reason it's not a simple process is you'll need to drain all the water out of your hot tub, and I'm talking about all the residual water that might be in your jets, pumps, unions, filters. Your hot tub has to be completely dry. Because of that, we do recommend consulting your owner's manual, or better yet, giving us a call or your local dealer if you're out of the area to discuss the specifics about winterizing your hot tub and your particular model. And we also recommend having a professional technician do that winterization. And most large dealers, including ourselves, we're gonna have trained professionals that know exactly what to do to winterize your particular hot tub. Here's a little tip about winterizing your hot tub. You can hang a caged mechanics light inside the housing of your hot tub next to your pipes. Leave a couple of inches in between the light itself and the pipes, and the heat from that light bulb is going to help prevent any leftover water in those pipes from freezing. So now let's switch gears a little bit and say that you're gonna be using your hot tub this winter, which after all, that is exactly what we hope you'll be doing. So we put together some talking points and some things to keep in mind during those winter months while you're enjoying your spa. Tip number one is make it easy on your hot tub. The winter months actually require that your spa work a little bit harder to maintain that optimal water temperature, and the jets in your spa work by blowing air into your tub. And so when the air outside is cold, it's gonna be blowing cold air into your tub. So if you turn your jets down a little bit, resist the temptation to melt snowballs in your water and clear off the snow on your cover or on your tub itself, it's gonna help your tub maintain that optimal water temperature, which is gonna make your soak more enjoyable. Tip number two is to keep it safe, and we actually recommend limiting your winter hot tub soaks to around 15 minutes. Your body is gonna be working harder to regulate temperature when it's exposed to two extremes, like when you're sitting and soaking in hot water, but let's say your shoulders or your head are exposed to cold weather. And so we recommend wearing a hat. You're not gonna probably be able to find one as stylish as this. Keep a bottle of water or keep some hot tea next there just to stay hydrated, because your body's gonna be working harder during those cold winter months. Tip number three is to plan your exit. This is really important in the winter months. Make sure that there is a path cleared between your house and your hot tub, a place that you can move back and forth really easily. Bring a pair of slippers, bring a pair of flip-flops. Personally, I'd recommend closed-toe shoes or even some boots that you can slip in and out of very easily just to avoid any slippage. And also be mindful of ice that may have formed since you've gotten in your hot tub. The heat from your hot tub can actually melt snow, and it can flow directly into that path that you've just cleared. And if it is snowing, that fresh snow on top of your ice is gonna be very slippery. So I hope you're as excited about winter as I am, and I hope you're planning on using your hot tub this winter. That wraps up this video. If there's anything we didn't cover in this video, please let us know. And as usual, please feel free to call us with any questions, or if you'd like to schedule an appointment to winterize your tub, we can certainly do that for you. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.